In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make white line watermark on CapCut. This quick technique is perfect for adding a clean, minimal brand touch to your videos without distracting from the content. We'll build it using CapCut's text tool, shape it into a simple white line, give it a subtle animation, then pair it with your title for a polished look. Start by opening CapCut and loading the project you want to brand. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and drop in your clip so you can position the watermark against real footage. It helps to zoom in on the timeline a bit so you can control exactly when the watermark appears. Next, add text. Choose the text option and insert a basic text layer. Keep things simple here. No fancy presets needed. We'll transform this text into the watermark line in just a moment. If CapCut adds placeholder words, delete them so the box is empty and ready. Now type an underscore. Press the underscore key repeatedly to create a solid horizontal line. The more underscores you add, the longer the line gets. Increase the font size to make the line thicker, and pick a clean, regular weight font for the smoothest edges. Make sure the color is white, so it reads as a classic watermark. If you want it extra subtle, you can slightly reduce opacity to soften the look while still keeping it visible. Rotate it to match your style. Use the rotation handle to angle the line diagonally or keep it perfectly horizontal. Both look great, depending on your aesthetic. Drag the line to your preferred corner or edge. Bottom left or bottom right is common, but choose a spot that doesn't cover important visuals. Use guides and snapping to keep everything aligned and within safe margins. Add animation to the line for a refined entrance or exit. Select the line layer, open the animation options, and pick a gentle motion like a short fade, slide, or wipe. Keep the duration snappy, around half a second to a second, so it feels intentional without calling too much attention to itself. Add another text layer and type your title, such as your channel or project name. Position it near the white line so they work as a pair. Above, below, or beside the line all work. Keep the text smaller than your main on-screen elements, and match the color and font for consistency. Finally, add animation to the title text as well. Choose a subtle motion that complements the line's movement and sync their timing so they appear together. Preview the sequence, adjust placement, duration, and opacity as needed, and you're done. Clean, professional, and ready for your next video.